Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about an exciting topic that can help you build an e-commerce empire online, dropshipping. So, if you are interested in starting your own online business and making money, this video is for you. Have you ever dreamed of running your own online store, but the thought of managing inventory and shipping products stopped you? Well, that's where dropshipping comes in. Dropshipping is a business model that allows you to sell products online without actually stocking them. It's a great way to start your e-commerce journey with minimal investment and risk. Let's dive into the details of how dropshipping works. The process is quite simple. You set up an online store, select products from suppliers or manufacturers, and list them on your website. When a customer makes a purchase, you forward the order details to the supplier, who then ships the product directly to the customer. You don't have to worry about inventory management or shipping logistics. Your main focus is on marketing, customer service, and growing your business. The best part about dropshipping is that you can sell a wide variety of products without the limitations of physical inventory. From trendy fashion items to electronics or even home decor, the possibilities are endless. Many successful entrepreneurs have built thriving e-commerce empire through dropshipping, and you can do it too. Segment 2 Scene, the host providing step-by-step guidance for setting up a dropshipping business. Now let's explore the step-by-step process of building your own dropshipping business. Step 1. Research and planning. Before diving into dropshipping, take time to research different niches and product categories. Identify target markets with good demand and less competition. This will help you narrow down your focus and increase your chances of success. Step 2. Find reliable suppliers. Look for trustworthy suppliers or manufacturers who can provide high-quality products, competitive pricing, and reliable shipping services. Check online supplier directories, attend trade shows, or reach out to industry contacts for recommendations. Step 3. Choose an e-commerce platform. Select a user-friendly and feature-rich e-commerce platform to build your online store. Popular options include Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce. Consider factors like customization options, ease of use, payment gateways, and scalability. Step 4. Set up your store. Customize your store's design, layout, and branding elements to create a unique and visually appealing storefront. Optimize product listings with engaging descriptions, high-quality images, and clear pricing information. Don't forget to ensure a smooth checkout process for your customers. Step 5. Develop marketing strategies. To attract customers and generate sales, implement effective marketing techniques. Leverage social media platforms, such as Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest, to showcase your products and engage with your target audience. Invest in paid advertising, influencer collaborations, content marketing, and search engine optimization (SEO) to increase your store's visibility. Step 6. Customer service and order fulfillment. Provide excellent customer service by promptly responding to inquiries, addressing concerns, and processing orders efficiently. Stay in regular communication with your suppliers to ensure smooth order fulfillment and timely shipping. Keeping your customers satisfied is crucial for long-term success. Step 7. Analyze, optimize, and scale. Continuously monitor and analyze your store's performance metrics, including traffic, conversion rates, and customer feedback. Use this data to optimize your marketing strategies, website design, and product selection. As you gain traction and experience, consider expanding your product offerings and scaling your operations. Congratulations! You now have a basic understanding of how to build an e-commerce empire through dropshipping. It's an exciting opportunity to start your own online business without the hassle of inventory management. Remember, success in dropshipping requires dedication, continuous learning, and adaptability. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on e-commerce and online entrepreneurship. And if you have any questions or want to share your dropshipping journey, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and best of luck on your path to building an e-commerce empire through dropshipping.